telling that he has saved the labor after milking. Suppose if you want to milk by hand, you want to appoint one person. So for that person, he has to pay 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees salary. So that amount he has saved every month. So that will be a large amount if he goes for 1 year or like that. That is one point. And another point is that milking rate is also fast. For 5 minutes, he can take 10 liters of milk. So in general practice will be less. That's the one advantage, and it's advantage economically as well as with respect to time. And one more thing is that he is telling that the milk, if he is milking by hand, there was much dust and other particles. But it is in a closed container, then it is a pure milk. That's what he is telling. Time taking is very less, but the milk quality of milk is very same. Better income in the sense his labor has been saved. I think what he is telling is labor is saving the labor. That's the main thing. That's why indirectly he is getting income. इस मशीन से जो मिल्क जो आता है वो ऐसे ही रहेगा, लेकिन उसका लेबर क्या होता है, उसका वो लेबर खर्च तो बच जाएगा. अभी 2,000 नहीं तो 3,000 एक आदमी को देना पड़ेगा वो दूध निकालने के लिए, वो से भी उससे बच जाएगा. वही इसका मेन एडवांटेज है. फिर बाद में वो मिल्क तो ज़्यादा कम टाइम से आ रहा है. अभी 10 लीटर मिल्क 5 मिनट में आ जाएगा. वही एडवांटेज है. पहला क्या होता था, वो कोई आदमी 10 लीटर दूध निकालने के लिए 15 मिनट्स टाइम तो होता था. अभी वो 10 लीटर को 5 मिनट में अभी निकल रहा है. तो उसलिए क्या टाइम सेव होगा इसका. That case, we have got 50 cycles of milking. 50 cycles plus and 50 cycles minus. That is, it has got 2 strokes. One milking stroke and relaxation stroke. So that cycles are very important. So in this machine, we are fixed to around 50 cycles. So for each cycle, it will have a relaxation stroke also. That is a very important point. Some people have designed with hand operated one. So even with the hand operated, there will be a lot of strain. Again, the manpower requirement is there. So again, labor involvement is there for that.